Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is just me doing mini twists. I already did the back and some of the sides off camera, and my parts aren't perfectly neat, and I'm okay with that. I'm just going to part here and section off a piece, apply product, work it in, and begin twisting. I'm making sure to twist tight and firm so that the twists are neat, that they don't unravel, and so that they can last. As you work your way down, try not to borrow hair from the other side. If you find that one side is getting shorter, just twist until you can't no more and finger coil the ends. The finger coil at the end is crucial to the look. Trust me, I've learned my lesson. Just finger coil your ends. Also have a comb handy to comb out your hair so that it's as smooth as possible, and so you can get rid of any tangles as you go. So I'm just repeating these steps all over my head. Part, apply product, work it in, twist tight and firm, twist until I can't no more, and finger coil the ends. But look at my kinks and coils. I love this hair butter. Do y'all see this? I'll list everything I used in the description box just in case you guys want to know. Here's one side all done. And finally, I'm on my last twist, and I'm so happy. If you guys never done mini twists in your hair, just know that you're gonna be twisting for a long time. So you might wanna grab a snack and watch a TV show, watch a movie, or watch YouTube. You can watch my YouTube videos because it's gonna take some time. And the white product that you see all over my hair, it will be gone. My hair is going to soak all of this up, and I am done. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.